What up YouTube? So I got my freaking Panda Express here, about to eat this. Gonna be super good. Editing the vlog, but first wanted to let you guys know you can have a chance to win a LYV sticker. 2 of them are going in my car, and then the other 2 are gonna be given away. So to win that, just find a way to contact me, Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, etc. You guys will figure out a way if you really want to win this. Just basically of you sharing this video or a video that you guys like of mine, and then also some footage of me painting in my car actually unfortunately got deleted. So with this I'm just going to end up showing you guys in next week's vlog. I got a lot of the car painted, but this is just some behind the scenes of me painting my car. Ha! Check it out. Hey, what's up?
French toast.
What up you guys? So I'm gonna check the fluid level here because the clutch pedal's not coming all the way back up. Sometimes when I drive it, kind of pull it back up or pump it. Maybe work on the rear bumper. Really gotta clean the trunk out. I glued it to the rebar, the actual bumper cover, so the cover doesn't come off. It has to come up as like a assembly. So I have to unbolt it from the inside of the trunk, but my trunk's really messy. And that's kind of what we got planned for today because I am going to be painting it here pretty friggin' soon. Do what you gotta do for the YouTubes, right? You spill the brake fluid everywhere for the YouTubes. And yeah, sorry I don't seem really excited, but I can go back to my YouTube self and go like, follow, like, comment, subscribe, gang. Ah! What up you guys? Finally got some freaking gloves here. I've really been trying to keep my hands nice and clean, but the battery light is flashing red, so I'm gonna have to probably throw that back on the charger. But I'm really just gonna be doing some fiberglass repair. Probably also gonna do some sanding on the paint here so we can get this thing a nice shiny unknown color. So,
hey, you need any of those?
that looks always cool, but like I could have gotten that every time we see this magazine.
15, 18. So it's not valid till next month anyway.
Oh, okay. Oh, we're gonna use it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're good.
Actually, you can do this with this one. Just fold it over. Like this paper or something.
Got this bad boy sanded down a little bit. Primer's a lot easier to sand down. Yo, where are you going with my deck lid, yo?
Ran away with it.
Yeah? You think it's smooth enough?
Sure.
Sure. I laid down the first color. Maybe you guys can tell what it is. Maybe you can't. I got tire straps. What up you guys? So there it is. This whole time I actually brought up painting my car on the first vlog. It's got a little bit of dry look as you can see here, but of course it's still drying. I'm gonna also wet sand it. Let's see if we can pick up some of the little nibs. But I mean, look at the color, you guys. That's the color of the E30. Still white, but it's a cream white. And we still are in the garage, so can't really tell on the camera. But I mean, here's the cap. So there it is, you guys. There's the color. Now you guys finally know what color this bad boy is gonna be. I'm gonna slowly paint piece by piece and a little bit of pepping for paint. Wow. That's what this video is gonna be all about, is me doing some body work to it and then some paint prep so that the whole car can look like that. We out here, cream E30. So there it is on the car. Here's the corners of the little repair. How long did it take us? Like 15 minutes tops? Mm-hmm. I mean, that was pretty chipped away during shipping, so. And then we did a little touch up there and stuff. So yeah. What up, you guys? So big day here. Freaking spray paint. Unfortunately, I have to go all the way down to Denver because they stopped stocking these. This Ace brand, we actually did some research and found out that it's made by Krylon, but like even Krylon doesn't even make it anymore. So I definitely have a unique color going on, but it's super frustrating because I gotta like store hop Ace hardware, and I only know of 4 that's going on. You're good, bro. And so yeah, that's some good stuff. What up, you guys? I got my freaking tamale here. Yeah. Yeah, good stuff. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and clean up the little edges here and then probably sand it down. That color is just so good that I have to go with it. And this is like kind of the contrast of Walmart versus Ace. I have to go with this color. It's just so much better. So now I'm just gonna end up cutting all this off over here. This side I sanded down, looks great. So it's all smoothed out, not chipped or cracked there no more. So that's really why we're doing all these repairs. Just the little stuff. So my dad came in clutch and freaking surprised me with almost enough. We're still gonna have to go to Denver, but I'm super happy that this is looking like a possibility. I mean, this is the goal. It's that color. And we've hunted down, how many stores did you go to? 5 different Aces. We're gonna go to a 6th. Nothing like finding some discontinued paint and going to, what, how many stores was it? 7 total? Was that 7? 7. So I just grinded down this little area on the rear bumper. We got it off of the car, listening to ASAP's new album. We're gonna do some fiberglass repair on both of these cracks here, and then basically sand that down. Bumper sanded, one fender's all sanded, and yeah, just doing kind of panel at a time. And I cleaned out my trunk, finally. That thing was very messy. It's a big day here. So yesterday I was actually able to find quite a bit of paint at a 6th location, and then a 7th location actually had another one. So I think we should be set, and then let's go check out what we did to the car. About to make some freaking mac and cheese here. Oh yeah, looks like another car. It actually turned out good. So yeah, I even ended up painting the rear body down there. So we got this almond, which is like maybe a shade darker than my Navajo white. I just love that Navajo white name. I'm very pleased. And then might have to respray this, but I'm also gonna try buffing it, wet sanding and buffing it first. But I'm gonna end up doing the quarters, sanding down the quarters, and just work my way forward as far as paint goes. I'm from the early corner where we do a nigga nasty.